Welcome back. If you want to capitalize only the first letter of the sentence but keep the rest of the words lowercase, then use this formula. For this, you need to put the equal sign and use the replace function and open the bracket and type lawyer and open the bracket and select the cells reference, which is A2, and close the bracket and space type comma 1 comma 1 comma and type upper and open the bracket and type left, open the bracket and select the cell reference, comma, type 1 and close the bracket 3 times to complete the formula. And now hit enter. You can double click or either you can drag the fill handle to apply the formula to the other rows. And with this formula, you can easily auto capitalize only first letter in Excel. I hope now you understand. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel.